Aero Machinery Consultants here in Salt Lake City, Utah. We are going to video this pre-owned Leblond 15.5 inch by 34 inch heavy duty toolroom lathe. Serial number 4Z597. Swing over the bed 15.5 inches. Swing over the cross slide 9.5 inches. Maximum center distance 34 inches. It's got an LO spindle nose. The spindle bore 1.5 inches. Taper of the spindle bore number 5. It's got 12 spindle speeds, 30 to 1200 RPMs. Tailstock travel 7 inches. Tailstock taper number 3. 48 threads. 4 to 224 TPI. 48 beans. 0.002 to 0.120 IPR. Comes with a 2 horsepower main drive motor. The machine weighs approximately 3,000 pounds. Comes complete with hardened bedways.
Very nice.
We will also supply a chuck, either a 3 or a 4 jaw, whichever you prefer. Also comes with a Jacob drill chuck and a wedge style quick change tool post with 5 tool holders, brand new. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Cool.
Okay, also comes with a coolant package, pump, tank, and coolant system.
And a spanner wrench and a dead center. Go ahead.
Okay. And also it comes with a taper attachment.
Oh yeah, taper attachment.
Taper attachment right here. Absolutely beautiful.
Wow, look at that.
Nice, yeah. Okay. Condition of this machine is absolutely mint. It's a beautiful machine in great condition from a research facility. It's a very, very low hour lathe. The machine is almost like new. Now we'd like to run this machine for you. I have power to it already. Okay, I kind of wanted to show how tight this is. This movement's within 3,000.
Okay, zooming in on it. Very little backlash on the cross slide.
Very little backlash. Very little backlash. There's the backlash on the longitudinal. Very little.
That's tight.
It's very, this is a tight machine, just like new. That's the way they come new, with that much backlash. Okay, here we are at 30 RPMs. Can't even hear it run. Okay, here we are at 119 RPMs.
Well, that is so smooth and quiet. Boy.
Okay, here we are at 436 RPMs. Okay, still quiet. Okay, now I'd like to run a couple of feeds for you. Here we are feeding cross slide towards me. Okay, now we're feeding the carriage towards the chuck. These rings just make a little noise there.
Nice. Very easy engagement off the front of the apron.
It's pretty simple here. Okay, now we're threading towards the chuck. We're running off the lead screw. Okay, threading back towards the tailstock. Okay, bump it up a bit. Okay. Here we are at 825 RPMs. Quick change tool post. Very handy.
Nice. I'd like to point out this is a removable chip pan also. Very easy to work with. Good.
Okay, this is 1200 RPMs, this top dog here. That ring's just making a little noise there. Okay, well I think that pretty much wraps it up. On behalf of all of us here at Machinery Consultants, I'd like to thank you for viewing this video. And if you have any questions, give us a call. We'll be glad to answer them for you. Anyway, thanks again.